my gosh, they're falling
Smells
apart.
almost as good as me. Nay, 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 nay.
Hey guys, it's Goldie.
And Ruby.
And we're super excited because we're waiting for a very special package to arrive.
Isn't that the best feeling? You know, you've got something super exciting on the way, and any minute, the doorbell's gonna ring with a package with your name on it?
Yeah. It's here.
It's here! Let's go!
This is the GoldieBlox Box. We were so excited, so we made this big machine to unveil it to the world.
You know, I guess we could have just opened it.
Yeah, but that didn't seem GoldieBlox enough.
Let's get this party started!
So you start the machine by dropping this beautiful lock into this metal chute.
The lock goes into this cup and the weight brings it down to the floor.
And then by the pink string, it pulls this tab and lets the marbles go down the little plastic tube.
And fill up this box. And then the weight of the box pulls this yellow string.
So then the yellow string tips the watering pot over, and then it pours it into this little bucket.
Then the bucket goes down, pulls the string.
And then the string unveils the box to the world. Are you ready to rock?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's get this thing started. Here we go.
Whoa. Come on, bucket. Go back.
Oh my gosh! Ta-da!
Everyone meet
The GoldieBlox Box. The GoldieBlox Box is a subscription box, which means you sign up and every month you get a new box full of awesome things to make your awesome maker kit.
The GoldieBlox Box delivered to your door.
Which means you get that awesome, new package feeling every single month.
This is the first month's GoldieBlox Box. Should we show them what's inside?
Yeah. So the first subscription box, the theme is shower fizzies.
The first thing you get is this card welcoming you to the Goldie Squad. And it also has a secret link where you can get exclusive videos that you can't get anywhere else.
And then they come with these super cute powder kits that you can color the baking soda, citric acid. So it makes the shower fizzies fun colors.
It comes with these essential oils. We have Focus and Relax. And this is so your shower fizzy can smell extra delicious and nice and beautiful.
And then they come with these super cute little molds. There's a unicorn, there's some flowers, there's hearts, there's a lot of options and they're super, super cute.
Next thing we have is obviously what you need to make your shower fizzies.
Yeah.
But you can't make a shower fizzy without them. We have baking soda and citric acid.
The two main ingredients of any shower fizzy.
And you have 2 bags of them. So much.
A lot of citric acid.
You just have some tools to make it spray bottle and these
Popsicle sticks.
What? Popsicle sticks.
There you go.
I was calling them doctors. What is going on?
And then we have these little bags and they're perfect for gifts because you unstick these little circles and then you can write their name on it and be oh, here you go, here's a gift.
Oh my gosh, the gift is not this, it's the shower fizzy,
Well,
but it's an amazing gift.
It's a little bag to hold it in.
And we have these hack and fact cards, which you may have seen in our other maker kits, and it basically just has some tips and a lot of really cool facts. And then we have this, which is a bonus fact, and it shows you how you can keep all your boxes and make this really great shelf and save the environment. So we're gonna be making an exclusive video so we can teach you how to make it yourself.
Yeah.
And then on the back, it has this really great coupon for 20% off your total purchase at any JOANN store. In store only.
In store only. And then here's what they look like when they're done.
Ta-da.
You know, the best part about these like subscription boxes is you don't need to go to the store and get all the ingredients and like, you know, bother your mom. It just comes straight to your house. Everything's right here. All the instructions are right here. Like you just sit down and have like your mental maker time, you know, your crafting time. That's like zen.
Actually, it's really easy to make. We made those earlier, and the instructions are like, they're super great and easy. And if you ever watch our videos, you're like, oh, I can never do that. You know, it's super easy because now you have everything you need. It's amazing. We're so excited.
If you want your own, the link is in the description.
So buy it. So go order it. Go
it
now.
Alright guys, that was a sneak peek on the very first GoldieBlox box.
They're all about STEM and they're all about making.
Making plus STEM equals awesome.
So get your own so you can get making.
And awesoming.
If you want to get your own box,
click the link in the description.
Oh, and if you make something cool, make sure you show us by using the hashtag #GoldieSquadMaker.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
Thanks for watching.
GoldieBlox
and Ruby
signing off.
Bye!